y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina. As you can see, Miss Cali Cat is with us. Say hi. She's like, whatever, mom. Y'all, so we have a little bit of a mini haul from Macy's. And I got lots of M's today. I've got a Maurice's, a Macy's, and a Marshall's. I don't know, I guess I was in an M mood when I ordered all this stuff, but here is my box. So are y'all interested to see what's inside my Macy's mini haul? Because I am, I can't remember. Oh, let's just look inside. So Macy's is a department store. They do have clothing, they have accessories, they carry makeup. I'm sure they have home goods and such. I mean, you know, I'm sure everybody knows what Macy's is, maybe unless you don't have one in your part of the world. Working on it. Now keep in mind, I am not affiliated. I don't have any special links or anything like that to give to you. This is just pure entertainment to share what I buy. I pulled up the website and I'm just gonna read to you like the little sections you can go in: women's, men's, beauty, home, furniture, shoes, handbags, jewelry, kids, toys, gifts, own your style, and sell section. So yeah, lots of different stuff there. Right now we're gonna get into what I bought. It looks like they do give you a few vouchers, things like that. This one is their wine shop, which I don't drink wine, so I hope y'all can see that because I'm not going to use it. So anybody who wants it. This one is Green Chef. Spring meals are in bloom. I really need to start cooking and doing stuff like that, but yeah, probably not gonna. $135 off plus free shipping. You know, I see these $50 off, $135 off, and it makes me wonder how much it is. You know, if they give you that much off. All right, oh, there's another one. Oh, this one's for DoorDash, $10 off, and a 0 delivery fee for your first order. So I've used DoorDash before, but Taco Bell, the Cheese Factory, some Italian place, I have no idea, but interesting. So I got a bag and a hat. Yeah, I don't know, I've been looking for a tote, and it was mentioned to me maybe I should do a hat haul, and so I thought, well, I'm just gonna look around and see what I can find, and I saw this one and thought it was cute. So I thought, well, I'll just try this one. This is from Ninewest, by the way. This is the scarf tie Panama hat in yellow, one size, $24.99. I do believe it came in different colors. The multi-stripe is actually $24.99 right now. It's normally $48. It's on sale, and I must have got it for sale too. Which the multi-stripe is like pink, blue, and a deeper pink. Then for $19.20, you could get a leopard stripe. You can get this yellow stripe, which, you know, that's cheaper than what I paid for it. Or you could get like a floral one, very cute. So yeah, I want the cheaper price. I wonder if I can contact them and ask them if I can get that cheaper price. Some stores will do that. If they have a sale within a certain amount of time that you bought it, they'll honor the sales price. So I may have to contact them and see. How do I look, y'all? I don't know how to wear these hats. It does feel a little big on me. Let's see if it's got any kind of adjustable in here. It does. It does have a little bit of an adjustable in there. Let me see. It's adjusted a little. Y'all, am I a hat person? Do you wear them like this? Do you wear them like this? How do you wear them? I feel like I'm a 70s gangster now. Oh my goodness. I don't know how I feel about it. I think honestly I would wear it like this and feel like Ellie Mae, but I think they're cute. A good wind might blow it off, but yes, very cute. Let me know if you think I should keep the hat and wear it or not, or if I'm just being silly. So here is the purse. Is this just not adorable, y'all? Oh my goodness. I couldn't help myself. I saw the seashells and I was just like, oh, gotta have it. Gotta have it. Let me see what the price on this one was. This is the INC International Concept Straw Tote created for Macy's with the shells, one size $26.70. And it does come in different colors and patterns. There's one that has a turtle on it, which is adorable. Right now it's on sale for $17.80. So yeah, cheaper than one I bought. This shell's also $17.80 right now. Today is June 4th. There's also a red and blue striped one and a multicolor one. It's like dark pink, light pink, orange, yellow, light blue, dark blue. They're cute. They're all so very cute. Magnetic snap closure. There is a zipper on the inside. I love a zip pocket in mine, and on the other side there are individual pockets, deep pockets. You can put your sunglasses in there. You can put pens and stuff in there. That's very cute. I like this one. I like it a lot. Do I look like I'm ready for a beach day? I feel like I'm ready for a beach day. Oh my goodness, so cute. So tell me, what do you think of this mini haul? I really like the purse, and I'm gonna contact them and see if they will give them to me in the other prices, and if they'll give them, I may order one of each tote because they're adorable, especially the one with the turtle on it. They're so cute. What do you think I should do, y'all? Let me know. But the hat, really, yeah. All right, you know that you can reach me through Instagram and Facebook. My links are over. If you go to my page on YouTube, go to the About section, and there's actually links in there. There may be some actually on my homepage in the pictures. If you look to the right, which is that way for y'all, there should be like a little Facebook picture right there where you can find me. Send me pictures of you wearing hats. Show me how you wear your hats. I'd love to see that. And let me know if you think I should keep it or not. All right. Y'all, thank you so very much for spending time with me. I hope you enjoyed this little mini haul. Y'all have a wonderful day, and God bless.